very smoky fire, creating smoke from our own homes and our neighbors' homes. However, when you use an EcoBurn and hook a blower up to it, that fire becomes smokeless and produces much less particulate matter. So you can see now how that smoke is just starting to disappear. This is an invention another teacher and myself and our students came up with through a Lemelson MIT grant. It's called the EcoBurn, and you can find more at theecoburn.com. It's a steel attachment that you put in your burn piles to make them burn easy, burn clean, more efficiently, helping the environment and all of us be more fire safe. One of the major issues facing us today is catastrophic wildfire. The best solution is fuel reduction, clearing out the undergrowth. However, the problem with that is there's no way to dispose of that cleared brush and trees. One option is to chip. The problem with chipping the brush is it lands on the ground, decomposes, and produces methane, which is 20 times worse for the ozone than carbon is. So the EcoBurn encourages homeowners to burn cleanly, burn efficiently, and making all of our communities more fire safe.